Welcome back everybody. On this week's video, we're finishing up our garage area. That means mounting our battery boxes, mounting some of our electronics, and carpeting the back. We've got our work sandals on, and let's get straight to it. So I'm running I ran this line for my water pump way before, and I just never routed it through here, so I'm doing that. I got a bunch of my wires hung up here, but we just have to essentially what we're going to do right here is we're using automotive carpet on the walls and on this part to kind of give it a little better look, and it'll kind of act as a buffer if something is clapping around. It can't scratch, you know, like a nice wall or anything like that. It's just carpet. Automotive carpet tends to be really strong and doesn't rip as easy as normal carpet, so we're going to use that in here. And in the floor we're going to use same stuff as we used inside the camper, just vinyl plank. We might build some sort of rack system for our mountain bikes right here, but that won't be happening till we actually are going to be traveling already, and maybe we'll do a few projects while on the road as well. So I got this carpet on clearance from the Vivor. I'll put the link in the description if you're searching for something like this. And it's just basic marine / automotive carpet with it has like a vinyl backing on it, which will prevent it from getting soaked through the wall if I do splash some water. So, best thing to do with this box is just eat it, and then we're good to go. what we have to do here, staple it right here. We kind of have to bring this one in this corner. We'll cut it and then we'll overlap it by about 2 inches with this side over here. And that should make it look pretty good. It already looks really good. Like very seamless. It's gonna be my bedroom if the wife kicks me out from upstairs. I'll just sleep down here, you know? Yeah. This is our battery box, which is going to be sitting kind of right here against this wall. And some of these faces will be visible, which is this side and this side. The top won't be visible, the side won't be visible on the bottom because all the cable routing will be through here. So we have to wrap this same stuff as inside the garage area. And we're going to use some contact cement. We're first going to try it on here, make sure it doesn't burn through this vinyl. But if that doesn't happen, we will do the whole thing. I don't have to film this. Look at that beautifulness. Doesn't really seem like it affects it. Seems alright. So we tried the contact cement and it's not sticking to the vinyl at all. So we're just going to staple all this down and then kind of do what we did for the rest of it. Hopefully we never have to take this thing out ever again. I'm gonna use lots of PL. So you may be wondering, how is this supposed to support, well, there'll be 3 for sure, but we might add a 4th, 39 kilogram batteries. Each battery is 39 kilograms, which is roughly 80 pounds each. The answer is we're screwing it down with structural screws. So one screw is rated for about 600 pounds, as well as PL. PL is extremely strong, especially wood to wood contact. Like, you're never gonna get this thing off without using some sort of cutting method. So I'm not worried about this thing really coming off ever. So we're installing the same vinyl plank as we did inside of the camper, the habitat itself. We first thought about doing like a boat material. It's like the base of what you're walking on inside of a boat. However, we decided not to go with that here because it's a foam material. So for example, if your mountain bike is sitting in here and the pedal touches it and you're driving down the road, it'll rip that material apart. Whereas vinyl plank is very scratch resistant, and it's very easy to replace. You don't have to replace the whole thing. So essentially we're going to install this, and that'll wrap up most of the garage. So let's get going. 47. Okay, one more piece. That's it. So this is all we got done for this week's video. It was a lot of work and it looks unreal in there. This was one of the projects I was really neglecting to do, but we didn't get to doing the electrical as we had some things to do like work, and we also had the bottom of the truck spray foam, and now we got to cut all that flush. So thanks for watching, everybody. If you like the video, like and comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in next week's video.